Hey guys, so today we're going to clean all my lip gloss glitters except this one because yeah, we're just not gonna clean that one. So this one I'm gonna actually spray with some 91% alcohol because if I put this in water, I think this will, let me take it out the bag. Yeah, this is very pretty, so if I even put this in water, it'll dissolve, but I think even if I spray with alcohol, it'll clump up. I don't know, I'll see what I'll do at the end. Okay, so I turned on the ring lights, better lighting. So this is Dawn antibacterial soap, and then 91% alcohol, and then this one is just clear plain water to rinse off the glitters. So let's start with this one. Okay, so the strainer is gonna go in here, and then now we pour. Oops. Okay, some spilled out. I just gotta not making it worse. Hold on, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna use this to mix it. This is the bottom part. Okay, it's time for the rinse. Then it's time to put it in the clear one without the soap. Okay, so it was much easier to just run it under the pipe to rinse off the soap. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean the rest of them, and I'm gonna show you guys how I lay them out to dry. Okay, so before I show you guys how I lay out the rest of them that I clean, look at the water. It was clear when I first showed you. And this is the silver one that I just did. See all of that? Alright guys, so it took me a long time, but here's the brown one, here's the pink one, here is the black one, and here's the silver one, and then the little free sample that they gave me. So now that I'm done, I can finally go to bed. Bye guys!